Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to connect Excel spreadsheet to Power App Canvas app in Dynamics 365. So this is our spreadsheet created and configured. Now let's create our app and connect to it data. So first, close the spreadsheet because Power App does not work when the spreadsheet open and we are using the app. So close this and we see the file is located here in the OneDrive and the file name is my active account. Go back to the Power Apps. So select the solution from the left navigation pane. Now navigate to the app and here we are going to use a tablet format. Now give the app name is active account. Now let's just click on create. So now skip this. So we have starting developing our app. So first let's connect to the data source which is the spreadsheet we just created. So to connect, go to the left side pane and then click on data and then click on add data and you can start searching for connector. So search as OneDrive. So here we have OneDrive and OneDrive for business. So in my case, it is OneDrive for business because I am using a business account and click on here. So you will need to create a connection if you don't have one. So a connection is something you create to be able to connect to them different data source. But if I were to create a new one, so click on add connection and then click on connect from here. So it would create a new one. So it will ask me to choose the Excel file. Now scroll down and click on this file, my active account. So once I click on it, it will show the table inside the file called table 1. So that's why we transformed it into a table and gave it this name. For example, like if we had 8 tables and it would be very difficult to find the correct one. Like if they were named is table 1, table 2 and so on. Now select the table 1 and then click on connect from here. And once it is connected, so it will show here inside the data part. So the table that is connected here. Like if we had more different data sources, so we would see all the connection here. Now, how can I see this data inside the app? Now go to the insert and then search for data table. So inside the layout, click on data table from here. But for now, let's use it as it is quick to connect. Now choose the data source as table 1 and it is now connected and you can select which column you want to show here. So on the right hand side click on 7 selected. So here if you want to add more fields so you can add it here and if you want to remove any field so you can remove it from here and I can play the app from here and see all the records are here. Like if I add a new record to the Excel file so it will be reflected here. Now test this scenario. So go back to the OneDrive and open this file. So here add a new record. Karthik, account name and phone, city, phone numbers, Alex Baker, email Karthik @gmail.com. So save this file and just close the file. Now coming back to the Power App. So here reflect the changes. You need either save app and open again or click on ellipse and just click on refresh from here. So once refreshing is completed, so Karthik is appear here. So it will appear here and it is reflecting all the data in this spreadsheet. So if you want to save and publish this app, so now click on save from here and then click on publish from here. So publish this version. So in this video we covered how to connect Excel spreadsheet to Power App Canvas app in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.